What is visualization research? What should it be? When you hear the term visualization research, what comes to mind? Many people think of Tufts when they think about deep reflection on visualization. For example, ask any visualization researcher how many times their description of what they do has been met with a comment about how great Tufts books are. We agree, Tufts books are great resources. His guidelines, like maximizing the data-ink ratio or avoiding chart junk, are helpful maxims when you are starting to design a visualization and become aware of the large space of possibilities, even to show a simple data set. Yet Tufts' suggestions can break down in many realistic design scenarios. Have you ever tried to follow Tufts' advice to a T? You might end up with something like the ghost chart to the right. Is it really superior to the original chart on the left? What does visualization research actually cover? Understand the limits of different principles and guidelines for creating effective visualizations is one goal of visualization research. Started in the late 1980s by computer scientists and others who were inspired by the possibilities for using interactive graphics to amplify cognition about data, visualization research is now a thriving community with a conference, IEEE VIS, that draws till 1,200 people annually. Visualization researchers work on a number of problems that can help inform how anyone understands, designs, or evaluates visual representations of data. Tools that make it easier to create visualizations. Have you heard of Tableau software, Spotfire, or D3? All three tools were proposed and developed by visualization researchers. A common research goal in the visualization community is to develop technology that makes it easier to create effective visualizations, so as to increase the amount of value that people can get from data even without advanced training in design or statistics. A recent trend toward declarative specification of visualizations, as realized in the Vega and Vegalite grammars, makes specifying a visualization more concise and can reduce the amount of code one must write to develop visualization tools. New encodings. Visualization research produced encodings that are now commonplace in visualization tools, like tree maps, word trees, parallel sets, or arc diagrams. Visualization research often considers the limits of conventional methods for representing data and how novel designs might surface new and interesting patterns in our data.